Hello and welcome back to my channel Technical Freak. In this video we are going to cover about the TradingView, how to use TradingView and what is TradingView. TradingView is a simple platform or application which you can use to analyze the market by using the charts and with the help of other tools. Simply you have to go to your browser and type tradingview.com. I have given my link for the TradingView in a description box. You can find it out. After coming to this website, you can see this window. Here you have to click on charts. After that, once the chart will open, there is some internet connection issue. Yeah, that's it. Here you can see that this is the prices of that particular stock or currency. Here you can see that multiple options are given over here. This is the button which is used for the to save your charts timely. After that you can see this draw down button where you can find out the different types of charts. I use personally candles chart and line chart. After that, here we can find out the time frames. The marked as a star, these are my favorite time frames: monthly, weekly, daily, 4 hours, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes and 5 minutes. These are my favorite time frames which I use personally for the analysis. After that, you can see this box where you can find out your favorite currency or stock. Let's take an example, Nifty. If you type like this, you will find out multiple options. Nifty, NSE index, just click on this and the chart will appear at this, like this. Okay, now let's focus how to use this TradingView. There are lots of tools. I have given some name over here. Here you can see that on the left corner, this is a cross and eraser. These two are my favorite tools, so that's why I have marked them as a star. After that, there is a trend line, horizontal ray, horizontal line and arrow. Here you can see that Fibonacci retracement tool which I use. Then here brush and rectangle. In this I use text, and here long position and short position. So just mark all these tools as a star which will be appear in this box as your favorite tools. First of all, I am going to one more important thing, that is you have to enable the magnet which will help you to get the accurate point where you are planning to draw the tool, from where you are planning to draw the tool. Let's take an example of horizontal ray. Here you can see that I have selected this horizontal ray and I am going to place at this level. After placing this, I just wanted to mention this as a resistance which will help me to remind whenever price will come to this level, which is a resistance level. So I just need to name this with the help of text tool as a resistance. You can change the color as per your convenience. Let's make it blue. One more, I will select the horizontal ray and I will drop at this level, because this level is acting as a support for me. So I will name this as a support. That's it. So here you can see that I have used horizontal ray as well as the text tool. Next, go to the trend line. Just select the trend line and find out the point from where you are planning to draw the trend line. Just select it and drag. Another one from this level to this level. So basically these are the two trend lines on my chart. So I have to give them as for name for my confirmations and for my references. So this will act as a trend line for me, and this trend line will act as a counter trend line. In short, it is known as a CTL, counter trend line. That's it. Then another one tool is rectangle tool. This one. This tool I use personally to highlight the particular area which is acting as a resistance and support for the market. So I'll select this rectangle and I will draw like this, which will act as a support and resistance for the market. Next tool what we can see is a long position tool and short position tool. Long position tool is used when you are planning for the buys, or in Nifty or in Indian stock market you can call it as a call. Whenever you are planning for a call, you can use long position tool. Let's take an example. If I want to buy at this price, then I will simply use a long position tool. Just drop here, manage your risk and drag this up to your take profit. This is how this long position tool looks like. This red portion is your risk part and this green portion is your reward part. Here you can see that risk reward ratio is equal to 3.75, which means whatever the amount I am risking, if I win this trade, I am going to make 3.75% of my risking amount. Same for the short position tool. Let's take example. If I am going to short the market from this level, or if I am going to take a put from this level, then I have to use the short position tool and just drag to your take profit and manage your risk. Here you can see that risk reward ratio is 3.08. That means whatever the amount I am risking, if I win this trade, then I am going to make 3.8% of my risking capital. So this is how these tools we use on TradingView to analyze the market. And the last one is the eraser tool. Just to delete unwanted things, you can use this eraser tool. After that, I am going to show you how to create a watch list. Simply you have to click on this box and it will appear like this, and click on this plus button and you can find the add symbol box. Here if you want to add any of your favorite stock or currency or any cryptocurrency, just type the name. Let's say I want to add TCS. The TCS is Tata Consultancy. NSC. Just click on this add button. After that you can find out this got added to my watch list. This is how we use TradingView for our analysis, technical analysis. Okay, thank you so much guys. Hope you find this video very informative and useful, and if you like this video, just subscribe my channel as well as hit the like button. And for daily market updates, you can join my free Telegram channel. For that I have given my link in a description box. Thank you so much guys for watching this video.